What's the worst thing you've heard someone say while giving a toast? 1. A friend's cousin's best man gave a speech 3 years ago and commented on how good his friend's new wife was in bed. Then a big fight broke out. Long story short, the best man rode his friend's new wife a few months before the wedding. Now they are in divorce. 2. Best man's speech. Now, I want you both to look into each other's eyes. You are looking at the person who is most likely to kill you. 3. Father of the bride. She went through a hell of a lot of guys to get to you, but I guess practice makes perfect. For the first time, I heard the whole room gasp at the same time. 4. Not the toast, but the wedding itself. The priest decided to take liberties, began to compare marriage to a toilet seat, and this lasted about 12 minutes in excruciating detail. If this were my wedding, I would be furious.